Hey everybody, Electric Husky here. I'm bringing you the newest video. This is actually the one I talked about in the last video, the dollar store pack opening. As you can see here, I pretty much have the leaning tower of cards. There's no way I can get it to stand up straight. Basically, took a day, I had a lot of extra money, and I basically went to the dollar store to see if I could find any more Flash Fire, or just any more Pokemon cards in general. And lucky for me, they had a ton. I actually counted all the packs they had, and they had 109 packs total. I have like 57 of them here. I have some XY base set. I have Furious Fist, Breakpoint, and then the main bulk of it is the Flash Fire set. So I'm gonna save the Flash Fire for last. I'm gonna start with XY, Furious Fist, Breakpoint, and then just finish like that. This should go pretty fast compared to like some of the other ones that would be this size, just because of the fact that, I mean, there's 3 cards. I'm not going to do any card tricks. I'm just basically going to pull them out and see what we get. So, starting with base set, we have Honedge, Macargo, and Shadow Circle. If I get another ultra rare, guys, I will seriously freak out. You don't even understand. Staryu, Holographic Lapras. That's a cool one to start it out with. Look at that. Look at that. I know, I realize I'm holding these cards kind of far away. And a Shauna. Put them kind of over here. We have another Honedge, a Reverse Hollow Voltorb, and Mr. Mime. So that's pretty cool already, guys. We got a Hollow and a Reverse Hollow. Which Reverse Hollows in the 3 card packs are actually kind of a big deal because of the fact that you only get 3 cards. You aren't guaranteed to get a rare. You aren't guaranteed to get a Hollow or a Reverse Hollow. So, because I don't think in the first one. Oh no! So you do get a rare still, but there's nowhere near a guarantee that it's going to be a Hollow, Reverse Hollow, Ultra Rare, anything. Jigglypuff, Pumpkaboo, and Shadow Circle. It would be so crazy to pull another Ultra Rare, guys. Chespin, Diglett, and Corsola. Oh, so no, you aren't guaranteed to get a rare because none of those 3 were rares. So basically, you have no guarantee of anything. Whereas the other packs, you're guaranteed to get a Reverse Hollow, guaranteed to get a rare. Here, you are just throwing caution to the wind. So we have Staryu, Swirlix, and Fletchinder. Alright. We have Bidoof, Pumpkaboo, and Dunsparce. And I have guys, have you ever seen this? I have Charmander Black Mage crossover, lovely Pokemon and Final Fantasy crossover shirt. I actually got it from T-Turtle a few years ago. I absolutely love their stuff. Their designs are really awesome. Fletchling, Reverse Hollow Spupa, and Herdier. They're really cool. A lot of them are crossover ones, or like they have something. They just have like 2 different fandoms, or they're all also very geeky, nerdy stuff. Really awesome. Go check them out. Their designs are just pretty. They're cute. And they're all in like this kind of fun, cutesy art form. Spritzy, Leddyba, and a Herdier. Yeah, hopefully this Charmander shirt will bring us luck and get us another Charizard or something. Honedge, Pansear, and Cassius. Let's see. A Fire Energy, Crocodile, and a Hard Charm. That's a difficult one to open. Alright, a Bunnelby, a Reverse Hollow Jigglypuff, That's going in the back. And another Cassius. Alright, and the last of the XY base set packs. We have a Scatterbug, Skidoo, and a Mr. Mime. So as you can see, I mean, that was quite a few packs already, and we only got 4 cards from them. So we're going to kind of move those over. We have 2 Furious Fists. Just put these, whoop, don't want to bump the camera. Or the stand the cameras on, I should say. I'm actually, it's funny because I'm using the boxes from the Mewtwo and the Mew and Mewtwo XY Premium Collection, how they came with the deck boxes. I'm using the Blastoise and the Venusaur ones to hold my face cam, my phone up, and then the Charizard one, which actually has a bunch of cards in it, to hold the camera for right here. So it's really funny how I'm doing that. Eevee, Reverse Hollow Hitmonchan, and a Mienshao. Okay, not bad already for Furious Fist. Furious Fist, I've never really had good pulls. I've always actually had pretty terrible pulls. I don't think I've ever gotten a EX from them. Then we have a Electabuzz. Let's get that closer. Clefairy, and a Strong Energy. So that's not bad to get a hollow or a reverse hollow from it. But we'll see. Hopefully, maybe Breakpoint will be a little bit better, and then hopefully, definitely Flashfire will. We have 3 packs of Breakpoint here. And we have a Kricketot, Meowstic, and Swanna. Maybe if we're lucky we can get a break card or something. I don't know if those... I'm assuming that pretty much all cards are in here. Esper, Phantump, and a Dunsparce. I know every time I like said that I wasn't sure if something was in there, or I wished that something was in there, I got it in the last video, considering I got a holo card after I said that I wasn't sure if they had the holos in here, and then I got the Mega Charizard after I said I wasn't sure if there was any ultra rares. So we have a Shellder, Drowsy, and a Cricketune. So no luck with that. Now on to the bulk. As you can see, here's the stack of Flashfire. We're just going to try and go bust through these pretty quickly. I'm worried about my phone memory running out, and then I also don't want to make the video too long. Stunky, Roselia, and Trick Shovel. So I'm just going to try and rapid fire through these if the packs want to open up. Stunky, Duskull, and Fletchinder. I do have to say, these are really good ways to bolster your collection, even if it's just full of mostly common cards. Binnacle, Weasel, and Ultra Ball. We have Pineco, a Reverse Hollow Carbink, and Krokorok. Pineco, a Reverse Hollow Dusclops, and Avalugg. Man, already my arm's starting to hurt. A Bergmite, Pineco, and a Fiery Torch. A Spritzee, Durant, and Krokorok. Pidgey, Floatzel, and Ultra Ball. A Spritzee, Skuntank, and Metapod. So far, nothing really good besides these reverse hollows, guys. Let's see. Sure we can pull something. We have Esper, Skuntank, and Pidgeotto. Flabebe, come on, Walrein, and Luxio. A Goomy, Caterpie, and Magnetic Storm. Spheal, Scraggy, and a Fiery Torch. Esper, Binnacle, and Lysander. Alright, a Binnacle again, Pineco, and Rapidash. I have noticed that most of the time if they give you a holo or a reverse holo, it has been in the center spot. Geodude, Phoebus, and Sacred Ash. So I guess that's what we're kind of looking for, is that very center. We have Shinx, Heliolisk, and Lovedisk. Stunky, Geodude, and Sacred Ash. Spheal, Caterpie, Celio. Still nothing, guys. Let's hope. We have Pidgey, Furret, and Fletchinder. Pile here. Alright. Ponyta, Sneasel, and Fiery Torch. Alright. I know we're about at the 12-minute 30 mark. Litleo, Pidgeot, and Avalugg. Stunky, Roselia, and Avalugg. A Flabebe, Helioptile, and Fletchinder. You know, I've noticed most of the cover arts of these have Pyroar. I don't know if maybe that's because someone else got to them before I did, and they got a lot of the Charizard ones. But they've either been Pyroar or Kangaskhan. I know I saw one that was a Charizard. Phoebus, Sentret, and Protection Cube. Coming up on the end, not really. Esper, Binnacle, and Dusclops. I don't like to let a huge pile accumulate there. We have Binnacle, Spheal, and Graveler. Geodude, Helioptile, and Floette. Spheal, we're getting a lot of Spheals. Baneri, and Pidgeotto. A Baneri, Spheal, and Roserade. Let's see. Next one. It's actually a little bit scuffed if you look up there. Alright guys, sorry about that. The camera for right down here actually stopped recording when I was showing you this pack. So hopefully it's back on track now. We have here a Scraggy. Come on, focus in. Skuntank and Furfrou. We don't really have that many more to go. I'll show you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more packs, so not too bad. Let's see. A Litleo, Geodude, and Floette. Sandile, Ponyta, Maractus. I'm really hoping, guys, at least one of these should have a holo. That's my main goal, at least right now, is a holo. We have a Flabébé, Stunky, and Pokemon Fan Club. There's a pile over here. Alright. Sneasel. Come on, focus in. There we go. Pidgeot and Metapod. A Ponyta, Heliolisk, and Pidgeotto. Roselia, Gumi, and Celio. I'm really trying to speed because I can actually see how much more memory is on the regular camera, and we've only got about 3 more minutes. Roselia, Gumi, and Rapidash. Last pack, guys, last pack. Let's see if we can get any magic with this. Let's see. We have a Flabébé, a Fletchling, and a Sacred Ash. So no luck this time, unlike the last time with the Flash Fire. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. So please leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed the video. And definitely subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share with your friends what you thought of it. Anyway, guys, have a good one. This is Electric Husky, signing out.